Hi, join me as I teach you to create these hanging baskets for pretty much $10 or less because I am not about to pay $20 plus for a hanging basket when I can go to my local greenhouse and grab each of these plants for roughly $1 a piece. So I spent maybe $5 max in plants. I used the planters that I had from last year, but you can also find these from your friends and neighbors for $0 because they're looking to get rid of them versus throwing them, in the garbage year after year because they buy new hanging baskets. These I've had for a couple of years and I replant them. So this one, all I did was just top it off with a little bit of potting soil, which potting soil probably cost me about $8 a bag where I am. So that may be different for you. So I spent maybe 50 cents in soil just now. And then I have my plants going in. I'm doing 4 plants per pot. I could have scaled back a little bit on that because these were smaller pots. Because I did get a little bit, my smaller plants, the Alyssums that you'll see in a little bit, almost got drowned out by my other plants. So then that's just something to keep in mind, and that's just something to practice later on. Your plant spacing better, your pots better. So it's not a big deal. Like I said, I only spent maybe max $5 because I got these from a local greenhouse by me, and you got to look around for the good prices on things, and I found a place that has really good prices on their plants. So, and then I also look around for plants that come in packs of 2 to 4, so that when it says $2 or $3 on the package, you're getting more bang for your buck, or at least it feels like you are. I don't know, because these really only did cost me about $1 a plant, which I think that's cheap. I mean, I think that's pretty good when you walk into a big chain store and you're paying 3 to 5 plus for a plant similar to these that I'm showing you. And it was a super windy day. Sorry. So, and then it was raining on me too. But I'm like, no, I am finishing this video. Yep. So there's my second plants going in, and I just quick showed you the tag. I mean, so if you wanted to copy this, you could. I'll put in the description too what each of the things I used was. And these were so small. I was so worried about damaging these little plants because they're so teeny tiny coming out of there, and everything was wet. It was raining on me. It was fun, but it really didn't take that long. This took me less than 15 minutes to plant 3 hanging baskets, and they were like $6 a piece then for me because I am not buying the basket. I bought these a couple years ago. Okay, and I'm older, so you take a couple years and you double it. So I don't know, probably 5 years ago. And I have replanted these every year since. But I have a lot of friends and neighbors too that they buy the hanging baskets from the chain stores. So then I grab the baskets from them. And here's the finished product. And here's what it looks like in my garden right now. Thanks for watching.